In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up auto-reply in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn on a vacation response, set the dates, customize the message, and make sure it only sends while you're away. First, sign into your Yahoo Mail account as you normally would. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open the Quick Settings panel. From there, choose More Settings. This opens the full settings page, where you can adjust all the important features without digging through menus later. On the left-hand side, find the option labeled Vacation Response. Some versions may call it Out of Office Response, but you're in the right place either way. Open that section, and you'll see a switch to enable the feature. Toggle it on. Now set the start date and the end date to cover your entire time away. Think about your local time zone and when you'll actually be offline, so the auto-reply doesn't turn off too early or start too late. It's usually best to set the end date for the day after you return, just to give yourself a little buffer. Next, craft the message people will receive while you're away. Keep it clear, friendly, and informative. At minimum, include the dates you'll be unavailable and when you expect to respond. If appropriate, you can add an alternate contact for urgent matters or let senders know that their message has been received and will be answered when you're back. Keep the tone professional and avoid sharing any sensitive details. A concise message helps senders understand what to expect without overwhelming them. If you need to tailor your reply for certain groups, look for the option to send a different response to specific domains, like your company's domain. Add those domains as needed. This is useful if you want a more detailed message for colleagues and a simpler one for everyone else. When everything looks good, click Save. Your vacation response is now active, and Yahoo Mail will automatically send replies to incoming messages during the dates you selected. Typically, each sender receives your auto-reply once per period, which helps prevent cluttered threads. When you return, remember to come back to the same vacation response section and turn it off so people stop receiving the automated message. A quick check after you're back ensures your replies go out normally again. That's it. You've set up a reliable auto-reply in Yahoo Mail, so you can step away with confidence and keep your senders informed while you're gone.